For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to Simply Jain and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Welcome to Simply Jain. These cold winters require some hot crispy chaat. So today we are making bread pakoda chaat. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for the filling are oil, coriander, raw banana, green chilies, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, kitchen king masala, garam masala, coriander powder and salt. First we will add 1 tablespoon oil. In that we will add 2 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once it starts crackling, we will add the green chilies. And now we will add 2 pressure cooked raw bananas. And just switch off the flame. In this only we will add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon kitchen king masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and coriander, around 2 tablespoons. You can even add the vada pav filling in this. You all can check out the recipe. The link is given in the description below. Ingredients required for step 2 are gram flour, water, coriander, salt, turmeric powder, green chilies and fruit salt. Take 1 cup gram flour. In that add half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste, half tablespoon green chilies, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves. Just give it a mix. And then we will add water. We don't want a very thin batter, so add water gradually. And in the end, we will add 1/4 teaspoon fruit salt. Slices of sandwich bread. On that, apply green chutney. The link for the green chutney is mentioned in the description below. On that, we will put the filling. Put another slice of bread on it. And then just cut a triangular piece. This dip into the batter. Coat it properly with the batter. Fry it until it's golden brown. Once it's golden brown, we'll just take it. Ready. Now we will move on to the next step. Ingredients required for the final step are fried pakoda, green chutney, tamarind chutney, tomatoes, save, cucumber, coriander and chaat masala. Now we will cut this into pieces. On that we will put some green chutney. So the link for both the chutneys are given in the description below. Tamarind chutney, tomatoes, cucumber, chaat masala, save and coriander. Our bread pakoda chaat is ready. Make these hot bread pakoda chaat in cold winters and tell us how you like it. don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for